From a lush tropical garden to a small courtyard, it's easy to light up any space using our DIY Quick Connect systems. Before you start, plan the position and placement of your lighting. Think about all areas you'd like to highlight, such as trees, pathways, water features or architectural features. Then select a light to illuminate each area. Our DIY Quick Connect range includes spike spots, bollards, ribbon lights, wall, step and deck lights. You can view the full range at the Trade Club website. Once your garden's lighting layout has been designed, it's easy to install. Just follow these 5 simple steps. Locate an outdoor power outlet as close as possible to the area you're lighting, then secure the transformer to the wall. If you don't have any outdoor power points, don't worry. Our DIY solar cell is the perfect solution to replace the transformer. All you need to do is place the solar panel facing north or west in a location that gets direct sunlight. Remove the safety cap from the transformer and plug in the wiring kit. Push the plug in firmly to ensure a tight waterproof connection. For this particular project, we've chosen to use a 6-light wiring kit, but you could also purchase an additional 5-metre wiring kit and a 3-way splitter for larger jobs. Based on your own lighting design, roll out the cable so that the DIY outlets are positioned facing the area you want to illuminate. Next, connect the lights to each area by simply plugging it into the wiring kit and then fixing it to the ground. The light has an additional loom, making it very easy to position your light correctly. Double check that all connections are secure and then plug in the power to light up your area. Little adjustments can be made to create the desired effect. Enjoy your beautiful outdoor space day and night. And don't forget, as your plants grow, it's easy to reposition the lights to ensure they always light up your garden. Now you can light up your own space using our DIY Quick Connect systems. For more garden lighting inspiration, come visit us in store or online at beaconlighting.com.au.